Good Sunday morning. I have had a slow morning. I'm not going to go to church this Sunday. There's things I just want to do around the house and I want to be able to get it all done without feeling rushed. So we're going to run errands first. I think I need to go pick up a prescription from the pharmacy and I'd like to get a car wash. And then everything else should be stuff I do here at home. I need to check and see if I need to get gas for the lawnmower because I do need to mow, which I think this is going to be the final mowing for the year. Thank God, because I'm ready to be done with that. Although that does mean next up is going to be leaf cleanup. So, today is going to basically be like a productive Sunday vlog. I just want to get as much as I can off my to-do list before tomorrow so I can have a little more chill day before I have to go back to work because this week was a little rough. Well, changing plans. Apparently the pharmacy does not open until 10 a.m. So that makes it kind of hard to go pick up that errand. I think what I'm going to do then instead to knock out something, I need to put my cold coffee away that I made this morning, and I would like to clean the coffee maker. It's been a little while. Basically just run vinegar and water through it multiple times to clean it out and then wipe up the surfaces. So let's get that done. And then we'll wash pieces as well as needed. But let's take care of this. The worst part about this that I absolutely hate is the smell of vinegar. So I try to get this done as quick as I can and then light a candle so it can kind of diffuse that smell out of this place. But as I start flushing water, it should get a little better. As you can see, the second time through, it starts to brew a lot faster, so you know it's getting cleaned out, which is fantastic. A little bit later, I was on the phone for a while with my grandparents, so we're gonna head out. It's 10 o'clock now, so I'm gonna go get my prescription, run through a car wash, and then when I get home, I need to vacuum the car out and I need to wash the passenger side mat, which we're gonna do in the shower. So let's get going and pick up what I need to do while I'm out, and then we'll come back. Got the prescription. Obviously we're in the car wash. Riley's a nervous wreck. I probably shouldn't have brought him, but I did. Before I run in and change, I just thought I'd show you what I'm talking about down here. Obviously the whole car needs to be vacuumed, but my brother spilled his Red Bull when I was back in Michigan, and over time now everything is kind of stuck to it. So I want to vacuum that and get that washed. We'll kind of dust some of these areas, the dash, and then vacuum the rest of the car. I got a couple rags and some Windex. I'm just gonna quickly wipe surfaces, maybe this windshield a little bit, and then we're gonna get to vacuuming because that's the main stuff that I want it done. Since the center is where the bulk of the problem is, I want to get that cleaned because this stuff does not work to clean with anything but Windex. I don't know if it's just like the material that this silver stuff is made out of. Now that the car is cleaned, I went ahead and took the mat inside and rinsed it real quick and put some Dawn Power Wash on it. I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes and then we're gonna go in and try to scrub and rinse it. Can't see it now because I did put the power wash on it. It must have absorbed in. I think I'm gonna use this little brush to, you know, try to clean it, and then we'll rinse it really good. I'll probably let it sit here for a little bit to dry, and then I'll take it outside to finish drying in the sun. Didn't anticipate it leaving marks. And the only thing that I know works with that is Barkeeper's Friend. So we're gonna do this real quick so I can clean my tub. It's about 12 o'clock. I'm probably gonna take a break. I'm going to have some lunch and then mow the yard. And I have one more thing I wanna get done today. And I wanted to show, I'm hanging the mat here just to kind of drip off some and get the plastic side dry. And then I'll probably move it to that little brick wall by the garage so it can get more sun to dry faster. I thought I'd give you a quick overview of the yard. Like I said, it's not like horrible right now, but it's got like patches that are a little bit taller and some leaves that are down, so I want to like run the mow through here once. This is probably gonna be the last mow of the season, so I want to do it one more time, crunch up what leaves are down, and then we start leaf cleanup, and having the grass shorter is easier for that. I mowed the front yard, that's done, and I've done a perimeter around the backyard. Done a couple passes, but I do need to finish the passes through the backyard. Much better. I got most of the leaves mowed up there, so now I can just deal with the leaves when they fall, which hopefully will be in a while. I don't want to have to do it anytime soon, but I'm gonna go get a shower. I got 2 things left I want to do for the end of the day. I am freshly showered. So the last thing that I want to do, well, there's 2 things, but for the last major thing, I need to get my toenail polish off. Basically, it's been on for a few months. We're going into what I call fall, winter months, and I don't wear toenail polish during that time. I let my nails breathe because I'm usually in socks and shoes anyway. Toenails are clean, so the last thing that we need to do is finish this coffee maker, putting all the pieces back. that's where I'm gonna end it. That's everything I wanted to get knocked off my to-do list. I stayed pretty productive. It's like 3 o'clock and I am done for the day and I'm going to chill. And since you saw a lot of that in the last vlog, I'm gonna stop the video here. I hope you enjoyed. Maybe it motivated you to get some work done that you've had on your to-do list. And as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.